Hey guys, let's check out a notable and celebrated author with acclaimed publications. Here is the interview glimpse we have taken for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. It is taken by our sub-editor Manpreet Kaur. The spokesperson is Swasurupa Iyer and author of Curator Indic Book Club. Here is the brief interview glimpse. First of all, we have asked Swasurupa Iyer that kindly comment on the type of work you do as an established author who enjoys a good reader audience. For this, she has answered that my work involves a lot of reading into Hindu textual corpus, Mahabharata, Ramayana, and Puranas, as well as historical records and theses. I also listen to the pravachans by scholars and gurus. For my genre, there is a need for organic assimilation of ancient knowledge before we can work on a story idea. Once an idea and story are set, my research becomes focused and my creativity too gets into action to bring a novel narration or reimagination of ancient stories. I strive to celebrate our Indic civilization and the multitude of lessons we have to learn from there. Next, we asked her that how do you see the COVID 19 pandemic situation and its impact on the literature world? Here she has answered that, like every industry, writing and publishing industry too has been affected by the pandemic. While people seem to have more time to read, they are wary of venturing out to stores. We can expect to see a growth in online sales channels of books. Literature that comes out may be affected in the terms of delays by some publishing houses grappling with this change. But at the same time, this is a great phase for dynamic thought leadership. For example, Unsung Valor, the latest anthology, I curated on the Indic Academy banner and was published by Bloomsbury. The idea was conceived in April 2020 and the book was out in stores by November. This is an unprecedented pace in which a publisher can work to get the book out in market. And next, we asked her that, what are your recent works? Describe them in brief. For this, she has answered that, recently I have curated an anthology based on the lesser talked about battles of Kurukshetra war, Mahabharata. It is titled Unsung Valor and is published by Bloomsbury. It was conceived by as an Indic Academy and is an attempt by 10 writers to explore the concept of dharma through the eyes of warriors who we don't talk much about these days. Before that, I brought out a novel based on Draupadi. Unlike earlier retellings about Draupadi, which effectively portrayed her either as vengeful woman or a helpless wronged victim, this book attempts to bring out her powerful feminine side and how she brings in balance to the political vortex of Mahabharata. My next book, due to be released in 2012, would be on Rukmini, the first wife of Krishna. It is an attempt to explore Rukmini's festy side and how she brought about a game-changing turn to the events of Mahabharata. None of us talk about it now. Further, we asked her that, what are your plans for the near future and for the next 5 years, or where do you see yourself as an author in the next 5 years? Here, she has answered that, I would like to continue on this path as I love what I do. I also want to help upcoming writers and I am working on publishing a series of non-fiction books to help aspiring writers. For my creative side, I would love to look at newer challenges like exploring new history of India, the last 500 to 1000 years frame, text news subgenres, etc. But the driving and binding element of my work would be to celebrate and propagate the uniqueness of our wonderful civilization. And we have concluded the interview by asking her that, is there something you would like to add to share with the audience at large, such as your work, ethnic, principle or motive? And for this question guys, she has answered that, our ancestors left us a glorious civilization. We too have a duty to continue the legacy and add to it so that our descendants can speak about us with similar fondness. That is what keeps me going. If my books make the readers feel proud about ancient India, and also inspire them to become solutionists, then broaders, spread positivity and defect cynicism, I would consider my mission successful. So guys, we hope you have liked this awesome brief interview. Hence for knowing this author more and for reading her interesting books, hurry up and contact her now. And in the end, we wish that you find all the contact links of this author in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us for enjoying more happening coverages from all across India and the world. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned.